in the morning. Ah, yay!
Yay!
Again?
Good, Kenzie, yay!
Yay! Again? Again? Again?
We don't know if she's going to be left-handed or right-handed. She does a lot of stuff with her left hand.
I think they have to try them out. Both, you know. Christian eats with his left hand, but then after he gets tired, then he goes to his right. So,
Oh boy.
Shoelaces.
You're going to try to eat the shoelaces.
Hi. Hello. You coming here?
She's winking at you. Did you see that?
Hello.
Kenzie.
Oh, look at those teeth. Yeah. You got 2 teeth on the bottom?
4.
4 in the bottom.
4 teeth.
Mm-hmm.